What is a type 4 driver class name for Oracle database? Type 4 driver class name for Oracle database. Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. To access this driver URL, what is the URL? JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon at domain name colon port number colon service ID. Okay. Yesterday I given this one. JDBC is a protocol. Oracle is a sub protocol. Thin is a logical name. So it is protocol. It is sub protocol. It is logical name. Logical name. See, if you want to access type 4 driver, this is the URL. JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon at domain name colon port number colon service ID. It is a protocol. It is a sub protocol. It is a protocol. It is sub protocol. It's just like a HTTP. Just like a HTTP protocol sub protocol. It is logical name. It is logical name because type 2 driver class name and type 4 driver class name same is there. Type 2 driver class name, type 4 driver class name same is there. But how it will recognize type 2 driver functionality or type 4 based on this logical name. That purpose this thing. Domain name, port number, service ID. How to get domain number, domain name. See, if the database installed on same computer, domain name nothing but localhost. The database installed in other computer, domain name nothing but computer name. Write it. If the database software installed on same computer, if the database software installed on same computer, then use localhost as a domain name. Otherwise, use computer name as a domain name. If the database software installed on same computer, then use localhost as a domain name. Otherwise, use computer name as a domain name. I'll explain what is that. If the database software installed on same computer, then use localhost as a domain name. Otherwise, use computer name as a domain name. Actually, what exactly domain name? I'll explain. Suppose 5 computers are there. These 5 computers connected together as a one network. Suppose these 5 computers are there. These 5 computers connected together as a one network. These 5 computers connected together as a one network. Now, Java program in this computer, database in this computer. I want to connect this Java program to this system database. It is possible. But how system knows this database or that database? That purpose domain name required. Domain name nothing but it is addressing system. Just note down, otherwise I'll explain. Addressing system, 2 types. Addressing system, 2 types. One is letter addressing system. Nothing but domain name. domain naming system. Second one, number addressing system. Nothing but IP address. For every computer, one name will be there. That is only we are calling domain name. IP address, domain name, domain naming system. IP nothing but internet protocol. DNS IP address. So if the database software installed on same computer, then use localhost as a domain name. Otherwise, use computer name as a domain name. What exactly domain name? I'm going to explain. So in a BTech, in CSC, CSIT students studied about this. New people will be there, non-IT students. That's what I'll explain. Here, even while learning next topic about internet, so many concepts are required about internet. That is also I'll explain while teaching that one. Because Java made for internet applications. Java especially made for internet application. Next topic onwards, internet applications you are going to build. At the time about internet also some knowledge is required. Okay. How to use internet everyone knows. Okay. Non-IT students also knows. Even what is computer also people they don't know they are using internet. How to use internet everyone knows. But internet, how it works, what are the concepts are there, those all you should learn because you are learning Java. Other people not learning Java, for them not required. But they are sending mails, you are sending mail, they are sending like a WhatsApp messages, they are sending mails, they are doing chatting, they are playing games, you are doing everything means, but you are learning Java, they are not learning Java. So you should have some knowledge about internet. Okay. How to use internet is everyone knows. Nowadays kids also operating. Kids also operating internet. So how to use internet is not required. How to use internet everyone knows. How internet works required. For Java related some concepts also required to you. That is you are going to learn next topic onwards. Okay. Here addressing system two types. Letter addressing system, domain, that is called domain naming system. Number addressing system, IP address. Nothing but internet protocol address. Suppose this is one standalone PC. It is not connected to network. It is individual system or individual desktop or individual laptop, not connected to network. That is one type. Suppose 5 computers connected together as a one network. Then addressing system, how it will be, I'll explain. Very depth not required. Whatever required to learn Java, that is I'll explain. Because computer networks are also one subject. That is also one semester you studied in a BTech. CSC, CSIT students. Non-IT students not studied. That's what. These are little bit knowledge required. Now, this is standalone system. It is not connected to the network. That is 5 systems connected as a network. This computer name, local host. This computer IP address 127.0.0.1 IP address. See, addressing system two types. So every computer one address will be there. That is two types. Letter addressing system, letters will be there. Number addressing system, numbers will be there. See, local host, letters. Number addressing system, numbers. This is called domain naming system, DNS in short. This is called IP address, internet protocol address. Every standalone PC, that name is localhost, that number is 127.0.0.1. Every standalone PC, your desktop also, your laptop also, it is not connected to network. That number, that name is fixed. Everywhere like that only. That is reserved for standalone PC. Your system also localhost only, my system also localhost only, other people's system also localhost only. But once if it is connected all, now this is connected to this one. Now that means these all actually all are localhosts only, but all connected together. Then localhost means which is localhost? Every system is localhost only. That is the reason other names required. The other names are given by administrator. Whoever will make network, that person will give some addresses. Suppose this computer name system 1, assume system 1, this IP address 192.168.1.1. Suppose this computer name system 2, here 192.168.1.2. This computer name system 3, suppose 192.168.1.3. This computer name system 4, 192.168.1.4. This computer name system 5, this address 192.168.1.5. See here, every standalone system, if it is not connected to other computers, that computer name will be localhost, that computer IP address will be 127.0.0.1. Every network, suppose your college network, our institute network, or bank network, or insurance company network, or post office network, or E7 network, any network names that is given by administrator, whatever he given, that will be there, but IP addresses same will be there. So these addresses are not unique in the world. Your mobile number is unique in the world, but your system IP address is not unique. Your system IP address, my system IP address, same. Your college network, our institute network IP address, same. That is not unique in the world. Okay, that is not unique in the world. Server system IP address, example google.com, that name is unique. Worldwide google.com, only one will be there. For that, one number will be there, no? That number also only one will be there worldwide. So google.com, we are writing Google nothing but like a localhost, like a system 5, system 1, we are writing, no, like that Google. That computer domain name is Google. That IP address will be there. For that also number will be there. That number unique in the world. Worldwide same, that number only for Google, no other. Yahoo. For that Yahoo name is, that is domain name. For that one number will be there. That is called IP address. That will be unique. That will be unique. Facebook, that is domain. For that one IP address will be there. That will be unique. But your system, my system, these are not unique. That is same will be there. Because this number not present in the internet. That is the reason administrator always these numbers only they'll write. 192.168.1 will be there, no? That number is not there in the internet. That number reserved for LAN. That is actually whoever will learn hardware, networking, network administration, no? Those people knows about that. Okay, that is little bit knowledge required I'm giving now. So computer IP address is not unique. Server system IP address is unique. So once if you register your domain, for that one they'll give an address. That number will be unique in the world. Okay, google.com, yahoo.com, facebook.com, these all names are unique. Addresses also unique in the world. But why two types of addressing system? Actually, computer can understand numbers, but numbers we cannot remember. That is the reason domain. See, yahoo.com, facebook.com, gmail.com, like that 100 website names also you can remember. But can you remember numbers? That is the reason domain. If you write Yahoo also, Google also, again converted into IP address by DNS server. You are typing in the browser google.com, but your google.com converted into IP address. then request password to Google. So computer can understand numbers. We cannot remember numbers. That is the reason domain. See example, mobile numbers also. Father number, mother number also people they don't know. Do you know father number, mother number? Always you'll open mobile only. Who will remember? That is right or wrong, you analyze. Father number, mother number, family member numbers also people they do not know. Okay, because not required. Every day you are carrying mobile. Every day you are carrying mobile. In the mobile already stored. Why to remember? No need to remember. Only your number you know. Other people number they do not know. Okay, and few people even second SIM card number also they don't know. That is also they are storing. It's my number. It's happening, no? So who will remember numbers? Numbers very difficult to remember. That is the reason domain. Okay, system can understand number system only. That means IP address. But why domain naming system is user purpose, programmer purpose, administrator, programmer, this purpose, domain. Okay, so suppose in this system my Java program, in this system database, this Java program I want to connect to this system database, then the domain name required, no? Otherwise how it will understand this Java program I will connect to that computer database? That's what in a URL domain name is there. Suppose Java program here, Oracle database here, then you would write system2 as a domain name. Then system5 Java program connected to system2 database. Got your point? Suppose your Java program here only, your database also here only. Then what you would write domain name? Localhost. Suppose in a network only, your Java program here, your database also here only. Then also you can write localhost. Not a problem. Localhost means same computer. This is called localhost. Every system localhost. So if the database software installed on same computer, in that situation you can use domain name as a localhost. Suppose Java program here, database is here. Then this system program, if you want to connect to this system database, then what we have to do? This domain name we have to write in the URL. See, yesterday given URL JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon. Now system2 you have to write. Then system2 computer database connected. That is domain name. Is it clear? Write this one for understanding. So this localhost, this system4, these are nothing but DNS, domain naming system. This number, nothing but IP address. Internet protocol address, IP address. So there are two types of addressing system. There are two types of addressing system. First one letter addressing system. Second one number addressing system. So this system contain Java program, this system contain database. In that situation, domain name we have to write system2. You can write system2 also, you can write this number also. This number also works. Even if you know the Google IP address, in address bar if you type Google IP address also output comes. Google comes. If you know the Google IP address. Google IP address, if you know, with that IP address, we can bring the Google. Not only google.com. That google.com is a domain name. If you know the IP address also we can type. For getting IP address also we can write Java program. That program also is there. Java.net package classes are there. In core Java library, socket, server socket classes you study, no? There one inet address class is there. With that we can bring the IP address of any system. Possible. If you pass domain, you'll get the IP address. That is possible. Is it over? So letter addressing system, letters will be there. Number addressing system, numbers will be there. Letter addressing system called domain naming system. In short, DNS. Number addressing system called IP address, Internet Protocol address, IP address. Okay. Now, suppose Java program here, database here. Then this computer name you have to write as a domain name. If the database also here, then you write localhost. Okay. Now, this is domain name. Domain name. Okay. Now, port number. What is port number? See, next port number. It is used to identify the service. It is used to identify the service. Port numbers range is 0 to 65,535. Port numbers range is 0 to 65,535. Reserved ports 0 to 1023. Free ports 1024 to 65,535. 0 to 1023 reserved ports. Free ports 1024 to 65,535. Here in a system, so many services will run. Service names also we can understand, but system can understand numbers only. That number 0 to 1023 numbers already reserved. 1024 to 65,535 free ports. If the number is in between, you can change also. If the number is in between these numbers, we should not change. Now, Oracle server service port number, one number will be there. The number we have to write here. Suppose we are using HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Service. It will transfer hypertext client to server, server to client. Hypertext nothing but HTML text. Without HTML, internet application is not possible. Without HTML. So client to server, server to client, HTML text only transferred by default. Transferring that one service is HTTP service. That number is 8080. Like that, it is reserved. Like that, to access the driver, one service number is there. That number, how to get, I'll show you. To view port number, open tnsnames.org file from the following location. To view port number, open tnsnames.ora file from the following location. To view port number, open tnsnames.ora file from the following location. To view port number, open tnsnames.ora file from the following location. To view port number, open tnsnames.ora file from the following location. In my system, whatever is there, I'll show you. See here, TNS names ORA file. This file you have to open. In this file, here, port equal to 1521. This one we have to write in the program. So this location I'll copy here. Now from the following location, write this location. Write this location. To view port number, open tnsnames.ora file from the following location. See, Oracle Enterprise Edition and Oracle Express Edition. Two editions are there. Okay. The versions also 8i, 9i, 10G, 11C, 12C, like that. So many versions are there up to 21. In your system already installed means whatever installed, that is only continue. Still you didn't install means better to choose Express Edition 11G because it will occupy less memory and the performance will become higher performance. Remaining all, it will occupy more memory. Your laptop speed also will decrease. Okay. And that too for Java people, any version it is okay. If you are learning Oracle specific courses, Oracle applications, Oracle database administration, Oracle DBA, Oracle apps, Oracle ADF, that type of courses if you learn, then it will be different. You are learning Java. That's what, that can be any edition, that can be any version. There is no difference for you. That's what, better to download and install Express Edition 11G. But already installed, you continue that. You didn't install means better to choose this one. This link I'll share in Google Classroom. This link I'll share in Google Classroom. So just one day you wait. Monday you'll get a Google Classroom. With that you can join, you can continue. You can see the link, notes, everything. Notes also, running notes also note down. PDF files also I'll share. Okay. Still you didn't install means better to go for Express Edition 11G. Okay. Already installed means continue that one only. Don't uninstall again because uninstallation also not easy about this one. Okay. Enterprise Edition uninstallation is not easy. If you uninstall also service related problems comes. That's what. Already installed means continue. You didn't install means Go for this. While installing, if you face any problem, I'll give a system admin number also on Monday. Online students, offline students also. Lab faculties are there, system admins are there, they'll take care. No need to worry about installation, no need to worry about pass setting. Okay, if any problem is there, just offline student, you can contact me. You can come after class also, you can ask me. But online students, I'll send system admin number, lab faculty number, they'll take care. No need to worry about installation problems. Okay, path setting, class path setting also. Now in this location, tnsnames.org file is there. That file, if you open, port number, whatever is there, that is you have to select. Say here, port number, open with notepad. Here, port number, it is 1521. This is your right. Now here, host name. See, this computer name, this one also you can write. See the host name, it is a port number. Now localhost you can write. Suppose this system is network. Other system Java program, if you want to connect to this system database, this computer name you have to write there. Okay, like that. Present you are running in your system only. That's what your system is, your laptop, your desktop, not connected to LAN. That's what localhost only, you can continue. Okay, if the database installed in other computer, if you want to use, then in that situation required. See this service name, XC, Express Edition. Service name, host name, everything available here. Complete information. Okay, this is a file, but don't do changes in that file. Okay, if you change, your Oracle will not work. If you change if you do any changes, that is just open, see that number. By default 90%, 99%, 1521 only will be there. Okay, but install, uninstall, install, uninstall, number changed. That will be happen. Now 1521 is there. If I uninstall, again if I install Oracle, that will take 1522. Next to 1523, like that it will take automatically. If service is not deleted, still service is old service running, means new service number, other number comes. That will be happen. So in a system, so many services are running backside. See services, if we click here, how many services are running? See, these are services. When we switch on Windows, backside these many programs are running. Okay, like that, when you start Oracle service also already started. Here Oracle service appears. See, Oracle service XC running. It is automatically running. When I switch on computer, then only started. Manual means we have to start. Manual means we have to start. And automatic means when I switch on computer, then only started, that is. Like that. For like this, every service one number will be there. That is very depth, no need to learn those all. You are learning Java. Okay. System administration, Oracle administration, Windows administration, for those people that knowledge is required. You are not learning that type of courses. You are learning Java. That is only one line will write to access the driver. So no need to do research on that line. Only that line, remember, follow. That's it. Okay. Because that is another course. Windows administration, Oracle administration, Tomcat administration, WebLogic, that is separate courses. Okay. So suppose while installing, uninstalling, what will happen? If previous service are still running, means new service, another number it will take. That is the problem comes. That's what Windows installation, Oracle installation, not easy. Java software installation, very simple. Okay. But Windows installation, Oracle installation, only many problems comes. Sometimes maybe SQL works, but JDBC program will not work. While installing, only some services may be missed. That type of issues comes. That's what lots of practice required on system. Okay. I'll clarify your doubts end of the session. Now See, to act, this is type 4 driver. This is type 4 driver. This is URL. About this one only so much information will be there. That is not required to you. Okay, about only this line only so much information will be there. That is not required. This is fixed JDBC. This is fixed Oracle. This is fixed thin. Now you are using your laptop or desktop. This is also fixed. Localhost you can write. Localhost you can write. Okay. This port number you check it out in that file. Generally 1521 will be there. Write it. Service ID already given. Select a star from global underscore name. If you write a SQL query, one service ID comes. That is XC. That is we have to write. Okay. Suppose you are practicing programs in a lab. In a lab also, in every system database installed. So that is only continue localhost only. Suppose in your computer database not there. Beside system database is there. That database if you want to connect to your program. In that situation here. In that situation, this PC, right click, properties. You'll get a computer name. This computer name. You have to write. This computer name you have to write there. Localhost place, this is you have to write. Okay. In a lab also, in every computer Oracle installed. No need to worry about that. Okay. Now, better to go for localhost only. It works. Now, type 4 driver program. I'll show you. Type 4 driver program I'll show you. I'll clarify your doubts end of the session. If any doubts are there, write it in a notebook. End of the session you can ask. See, I'll open, run as administrator. File, open. See, again, writing program is same. Driver different, database different. But writing programs are same. That's what. See, demo class loaded, main method called. For loading a driver, what we written yesterday? Class dot for name. Here, driver. What's the driver? Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. For loading a connection establishment, what we written? Connection something con equal to driver manager dot get connection. How many parameters? 3 parameters. Which type? What is first string? URL. That is we have to write now. What we have to write? JDBC Oracle thin at localhost 1521 XC. Next, username system, password manager. Okay. Next, system dot out dot println. Connection established successfully. Now it will throw exception, try catch blocks. Which will handle all the exceptions. This is everyday same, no change. See, we have to import the package. Import java.sql.star. Now, this is a program to establish a connection. Program to establish a connection between Java application and Oracle database by using type 4 driver. This comment in Java, multiple lines comment means this is syntax. See, will compile, file, save. C cd slash java c demo.java java demo. Why we are getting this error? Class path required. So C drive, program files, Oracle XC, app, Oracle, product 11.2.0, server, JDBC, lib. In this, copy. Set class path equal to percentile class path, percentile in double quotes dot semicolon. But if you write like this every day, you have to type. But instead of this one, permanent class path. Okay, permanent class path also I'll show you. OGDBC 6 underscore G dot jar semicolon. Now, if I run, it will run. See, connection established successfully. Now, my Java program connected to Oracle database with type 4 driver. Okay, write this program. Program to establish a connection between Java application and Oracle database by using type 4 driver. Program to establish a connection between Java application and Oracle database by using type 4 driver. For type 3 program, middleware system required, server required. That is, I'll teach later, already I said. Type 1 outdated, no need to learn. Online students, if any doubts are there, write it in your notebook. End of the session, I'll give a time for doubts. At the time, you can ask. So it is online and offline parallelly going on. Doubts are there, write it in your notebook. Better to say, take some water. Is it over? See, with this line, what will be happen? Driver loaded into our Java program. With this line, what will happen? Connection established. If these two lines are successfully executed, then this line executed. Okay. If these two lines are executed successfully, then only this line executed. If any problem occurred here, control jumps to catch block. Okay. So type 2 driver program, type 4 driver program. Now any JDBC program, any driver, any database, Java program is same. What will be the different? Driver, URL, user, password, these only different. Any database, any driver, Java code is same. It is already type 2. While teaching type 2, very depth I explained. That is only here also. Okay. It is package, it is sub package, it is sub package, it is a class. Okay. It is URL to access the driver, protocol, sub protocol, logical name, domain name, port number, service ID. In my system, username, system, password manager is there. While installing Oracle, whatever you given username, password, that is you have to pass. Okay. With these two lines only, connection is going to be established. With these two lines only. Once if it is established, you can perform the task. Okay. So up to here, drivers theory part completed. Drivers programming also. Okay. Now, before going to performing the task, I'll ask some questions. Give me answer. Whatever I taught. These all starting. This actually this batch started on Monday. Monday started. No? Monday I started JDBC. So Monday onwards, whatever you learned, these 1 week videos, you'll get it. I'll share in Google Classroom, recorded videos. But further recordings will not be provided. No recordings. Okay. These 1 week classes, I'll share in Google Classroom. Okay. Now I'll ask some questions. Give me answer. Whatever I taught Monday to now, I'll ask some questions. Okay. JDBC definition. JDBC definition. Not full form. That already told JDBC definition. It is a specification for developing database applications with Java programming language. Okay. See what you are going to do. You are developing database application. You are going to develop database application. You are developing. Okay. For developing database application, rules and guidelines required. That is JDBC. That is JDBC. So JDBC nothing but it is a specification. It is specification. What this specification contains? Rules and guidelines. Okay. But only these rules and guidelines not enough. How to write program? Programming language required. That is Java. So Java programming language you are using. So with that we are developing application. Java programming language syntaxes and OOPs all you are using to write program. But only programming language not enough. Rules and guidelines required. That purpose specification. So With core Java up to exception handling knowledge, you are right, you are developing application. For developing this application, rules and guidelines required. That is this specification. That is JDBC. So by using JDBC specification, we are going to develop application. But if you want to write, develop application, here what will be there in advanced Java? Only rules and guidelines. But what will be there in core Java? Programming language syntaxes, programming language, oops, object-oriented principles. With that, you are developing this one. This is core Java, this is advanced Java. Okay. So how to develop application? Rules and guidelines are present in JDBC. How to write a program? For that, syntaxes, principles present in core Java. With that knowledge, you are developing application. See, if I open this, this is called application. This is called application. Now, database application. What is database application? Any application that communicates with database. Then that application is called database application. Now it is communicating with database. It is communicating with database. It is called database application. Now, but in this, you observe here, what is input? Is it core Java or advanced Java? Core Java. Okay. Class, core Java. Public static void main string argument. Try catch blocks. These are language syntaxes. You learn. Now, this part is there no advanced Java. Now, this part is there no advanced Java. The rules and guidelines, that is. So if you want to access the driver, these rules and guidelines you have to follow. But that is, we are not going to do anything. No logic, nothing. That is as it is, you have to write. No logic, nothing here. Logic is present in core Java only maximum. Advanced Java logical part is less. Only rules, guidelines only you have to learn. Now, this Java program connected to Oracle database with type 4 driver. Now, this program, if you want to connect to MySQL database, then driver will be different, URL will be different, username, password will be different. But remaining Java code is same. Remaining Java code is same. Only driver different, URL different, username different, password different. Suppose if I teach 4 or 5 databases here, after joining the company, 6th database they'll give. Again, you have to learn. That's what you concentrate on Java. Okay, one database knowledge enough. If you learn n number of databases, after getting a job, they'll give one more database. Again, you have to learn. What you have to learn? Driver, URL, user, password, search in internet, apply. That's it. That is only Java programming. Java program is same. So you concentrate on Java. Driver, URL, that is nothing. Now suppose you have a DB2 database. You don't know how to connect to DB2 database. Open Google, type 4 driver for DB2 database. It shows the list. That is copy paste over. That is Java. Because further like that only. Further like that only. Those who are working in a software company, you ask them, are they using Google or not? Every day they'll use. Compulsory. Otherwise they cannot work. Okay, like that. So here you concentrate on Java coding. These are nothing. These are fixed. Okay, whatever is there, that is you have to copy paste. That's it. Driver, URL, user, password. These all as it is you have to follow. No logic, nothing there. No, but except this driver, URL, user, password, you observe every line, every word core Java only appears. See, import core Java. This is package, sub-package, concepts also core Java. Class also core Java. Main method also core Java. Public static void keywords also core Java. String arguments array also core Java. Try catch block also core Java. For name is a static method. We are calling with class name. Class name is class. This is also core Java only learn. Class name is there, with class name only you have to call. Instance method is there, object reference required. These all you learn in core Java only, no? That is core Java. Okay, so Here, every line, every word appears core Java only. Rules and guidelines only advanced Java. That is specification. Okay. Now, Java program, if you want to connect to a database, one driver software required. Driver software required. There are ODBC drivers, JDBC drivers. Can we connect Java application and database by using only ODBC? No, not possible. Okay. That is the reason only JDBC drivers came. Okay. How many types of JDBC drivers are there? 4 types of JDBC drivers are there. Now, in 4 types of JDBC drivers, type 1 driver, it is outdated. Even the driver software also removed from Java software. Actually, type 1 driver developed by Sun Microsystem company only. Type 1 driver. That is included in Java development kit, Java software, Java development kit. Latest version of JDK. Which version JDK going on? 18. Latest version of JDK 18. But JDK 8 only that is removed. So now present version JDK 18. JDK 8 onwards, the driver is not available in that software. If you write a program also, you cannot compile, you cannot execute, because the driver software is not available. Even if you want to download the driver software, not available in internet, also removed. In a website also removed, that is. It is not there. No one is using. That's what type 1 driver program you didn't learn. But why it is outdated, they may ask in interview. That is the reason I explained. So why type 1 driver is outdated? Performance overhead. Performance is very poor. It takes more time consuming. Communication is very slow because 2 drivers communication required. That is the reason only outdated. Later type 2 driver came, but type 2 driver implementation stopped. Reason that is database compulsory in the same computer required. Database needs to be installed on same computer. That is the reason that is stopped. Many databases do not have type 2 driver. Type 2 driver is not there. Okay. Type 3, type 4 popular. Type 3, type 4. Type 2 I explained. Type 2 I explained. Program also explained. Type 4 I explained. But type 3 program till I didn't explain. Now type 1 outdated. Type 2 stopped to use. Type 3 and type 4. These two presently not in use. But when we have to select type 3, when we have to select type 4. Now that is one note, write it. Note. If the application requires more than one database, then use type 3 driver. Otherwise, use type 4 driver. If the application requires more than one database, then use type 3 driver. Otherwise, use type 4 driver. Why? I'll explain. As compared to all drivers, type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, all if you compare, which one is highest performance? Type 4. Type 4. But more than one database required as compared to type 4, type 3 best. Why? I'll explain. See, what I given note you observe. If the application requires more than one database, then use type 3. Otherwise, use type 4. So, always use type 4 only. If application requires 2 databases, 2 or more, in that situation, go for type 3. Why? I'll explain. See, first of all, when application requires 2 databases, that is also required first. Okay. Now, suppose example, your bank account is in ICICI Bank. Your friend account is in HDFC Bank. Assume your account is in ICICI. Your friend account is in HDFC Bank. Is it possible to transfer money from ICICI Bank to HDFC Bank? Possible or not? Possible. Your account can be any bank, your friend account can be any bank. You can transfer. Possible, no? Possible. ICICI Bank people database, HDFC Bank people database, is it same? No, definitely different. Now, I want to transfer, but two database communication is going on. No? In that situation, type 3. Why type 3? If I use type 4, what is the problem? See, if I use type 4, what is the problem? I'll explain. It is possible to transfer fund any database to any database, any bank to any bank. Now, suppose it is Java application. It is Java application. It is database. Suppose this is ICICI Bank database. Okay. Here HDFC Bank database. Now, if you use type 4 driver, this Java program you have to connect to this database. This Java program you have to connect to this database also. Okay. Now, if you use actually what I said, more than one database is there. Which driver I said? Type 3. Type 3 I said, but this is type 4. Type 3 means compulsory middleware system required. So type 3 comes like this: Java application, middleware system, database. This is type 3. Type 3 will be like this. Type 3 comes like this. Now, this Java application connected to this middleware system connected to databases. So, I said, if the application requires more than one database, then use type 3 driver. That means I said this one use. Don't use this one, I said. That is type 3, this is type 4. Because type 3 means middleware system required. Okay. Now, suppose if you use type 3, type 4, what is the problem? I'll explain. Now, transfer fund, it is called one transaction. Transfer fund, it is called one transaction. One transaction can have more than one operation also. See, transfer fund is called one transaction, but which contains two operations. First of all, money should be deducted from your account. Later, money should be deposited to another account. So, withdraw, deposit, two operations required to transfer. Suppose this is your account, this is your friend account. From your account, money should be deducted. Later, money should be deposited. Then transaction completed. But it is transaction one only, but operations are two. Okay. Transfer fund is called transaction, which contains two operations. One is withdraw, one is deposit. Money should be deducted from your account. Money should be deposited to your friend account. Okay. Suppose money deducted from your account, it is successfully executed, but money not deposited to your friend account. Assume you transferred, it has shown money debited from your account, but your friend not received. You'll call, but friend is not received more money. Then what will happen? Who is responsible in this? This Java program is responsible. The Java program is connected to both the databases. Okay. Now, in this situation, what we have to do is, if this is not success, this one we have to cancel. That is the actual concept. One operation success, one operation failed. At last transaction is called failed. Both are success, then only success. One is success, one is fail. That is called failed only. In that situation, what we have to do, we have to cancel that operation. Again, you'll get a money back to your account only. If any problem occurred like that, what will happen? Money deducted amount also you'll get it back. That is Here, who is responsible? Java program is responsible. The Java program who will write? Java programmer will write. That is your duty. But here, who is responsible? Middleware system responsible. That is not your duty, server duty. It is better, no? Instead of depending on you, just depending on server better, no? Server is predefined software. Here already some software developed. That Java transaction API also implemented. Then programmer no need to worry about that. That is automatically it will do. There are two-phase commit protocol concept will be there. We'll study in after advanced Java. JTS topic, Java transaction service, Java transaction API. After advanced Java, you'll learn. While learning Spring Boot, Spring frameworks, at the time you'll learn. So in that situation, what will happen? Money deducted, money not deposited. It is success, it is failed. It is automatically cancelled. No need to do anything, automatically cancelled. That type programs already written. But the service program, if it is in proper way, it will do like that. Otherwise, money deducted, money not deposited means again you have to give a complaint to bank. Then only you'll get it. It's happening. Some banks you observe. Some banks, what will happen? Immediately in a fraction of second, you'll get it back money. Some banks, what will happen? After half an hour comes. Some more banks, after 2 days comes. Some more banks, until you give a complaint, you will not get a money. That is also is there. Okay. So that depends upon application development. That depends upon server. It will be happen. Here, who is responsible? Middleware system is responsible. Here, who is responsible? Java program is responsible. That means you are responsible. That is the reason. Which one is better? Type 3 is better. Okay. But if the application requires more than one database, then only prefer type 3. Otherwise, go for type 4 only, because highest performance driver type 4 only. Highest performance driver type 4 only. Okay. Like that, we have to select the driver. See, up to here, theory part over, only connection establishment over. Monday onwards, applications. So Monday onwards, full-fledged programming part only. Monday onwards. Be regular, core Java knowledge only required. Everyday connection, that one only. That is same. Task different. For the task, core Java knowledge required. Whatever you studied, at least that is prepare and come. Then you can understand advanced Java. Okay. So Monday we'll see continuation. Monday onwards task programming, full-fledged programming only. Monday we'll see continuation. Online students, just wait 5 minutes for your doubts. Online students. Now I'll clarify your doubts one by one. 1 minute. Admin number, new link, those all Monday you'll get it. Monday I'll give Monday. Okay. Yeah. Transaction management purpose, type 3 driver only they'll prefer. Yes. Google Classroom link, videos, you'll get it on Monday. Yeah, up to today class, you'll get a recorded videos. Permanent path also I'll show you. Permanent path I'll show you. Admin number and Google Classroom link. These all Monday. Permanent number or permanent path also Monday I'll show you. Okay. Yeah, these videos also I'll share on Monday. Course duration 60 to 70 days it will take. If you want to develop website, that is advanced Java Soulets, you have to learn, not completed, not just started. Complete advanced Java tutorials not provided, no videos. Monday onwards, present JDBC only, Java and Oracle enough. Yeah, private IP, public IP, network address translation, these all computer network subject. Public IP, private IP will be there. Yes, server system IP, public IP like. System 1 Oracle, you can access in system 2 also possible. Admin will respond, Monday onwards will respond. Monday you'll get a new links at the time, we'll see. Yeah, Monday I'll give system admin number, lab faculty number, they'll take care. Don't worry, don't worry. Videos also I'll give Monday. Everything I'll give on Monday. Yeah, Pujo classes, Java beans, everything you'll see. System 5, Java program, system 2 database means domain name is system 2 your right. One person PC to other person PC, if you want to connect, compulsory LAN connection required. With Wi-Fi not possible, LAN connection required. SQL installed in other system means that computer name only required. Yeah, Oracle installation problem, we'll get it. Installation, you'll get it. System admin number I'll give, batch admin number I'll give, lab faculty number I'll give. No need to worry. Videos I'll share, no need to worry. Yeah, everything I'll explain, not completed, just only connection establishment completed. You already installed Oracle 19C, you got a problem. Okay, you can install Express Edition now. You can. Yeah, instead of writing try catch block throws also you can write. Network adapter error, could not establish the connection. Anand Misri. Yeah, that is not possible to solve. You have to uninstall your system. You uninstall your Oracle. Permanent path I'll explain on Monday. Socket, server socket concepts are present in Core Java in network programming. Link Oracle Express Edition I'll share in Google Classroom. So see, everything I'll provide Monday. Admin, batch admin number I'll provide, and system admin number I'll provide. Lab faculty number also I'll provide. Videos also I'll provide. Google Classroom link also I'll provide. Okay, don't worry. Batch admin number I'll give, system admin number I'll give, lab faculty I'll give, videos I'll give. Videos only this 1 week videos. Further you will not get. Further no recorded videos. Okay. So if any non-technical doubts are there, batch admin you have to contact, and system admin. If any installation issues are there, system admin you have to contact. And path setting, these all lab faculty you can contact. Technical doubts are there, you can contact me. You can mail to my mail ID. Videos I'll share in Google Classroom. For link, you have to contact batch admin only. These all I'll provide on Monday. Don't worry. These all I'll provide on Monday. Okay. I'll provide these all on Monday. This is my mail ID. If any doubts, you can mail to my mail ID. So you don't worry about subject. You don't worry about installation problems. We'll take care. Installation problems also will take care. Your doubts also will take care. Path setting, class path settings also will take care. Okay. Yeah, that is down Oracle downloading installation. These all problems comes sometimes. 19C problem deleted. Okay, Oracle 21C 11G sir download problem. That is just not a problem with Oracle only. Oracle 11G link I'll share in Google Classroom. You continue. No need to worry. Okay, just wait one more day. Just one day you wait. Everything I'll provide. Monday, system admin number, batch admin number, and lab faculty number I'll provide. Their timings also I'll give. In that time you can contact them. If any technical doubts, you can mail to my mail ID. I'll give a reply. Don't worry about subject. Don't worry about duration. Don't worry about installation issues. Everything will take care. Okay. Already one Oracle installed means don't install one more Oracle. Don't install. Connection is the interface. Connection con is the reference variable. Downloaded Oracle 19C means continue with that one only. Recorded videos will not be provided. No recordings. Only 1 week. This 1 week videos will provide. Oracle 11G just it will take only 15 minutes. 11G Express Edition. Okay. Don't worry about subject. Don't worry about installation problems. Don't worry about path setting. These all everything will take care. Everything will take care. Don't worry. Just one day you wait. Except recorded videos, remaining all will take care. Don't worry. Okay. If you are getting network adapter could not establish the connection, then we cannot solve that problem. We have to uninstall Oracle software. You have to uninstall. Anand, you have to uninstall. Network adapter error we cannot solve. That is problem is not installed properly. That is not installed properly. You have to uninstall. You have to install again. Any cost, no recordings. Recordings will not be provided. We'll see continuation on Monday. Okay. Yeah, I'll give a replay. OCP JP, just you wait because you are learning still Core Java, I think. With a temporary path, you are facing problem, but there is no issue, permanent path. You continue, not a problem. You continue with permanent path only. That is installation problem, Vishnu Sagar. Completed Core Java means I'll send some, okay. I'll give a replay. What is use of wrapper classes? So primitive type some application doesn't support. In that situation, wrapper class we use. Okay. We'll see continuation on Monday.